Yo, how's it going, guys? And I'm back with a brand new video for you guys today. Oh, my headphones, oh my god. That's happened a lot, but yeah, we're back with a Bed Wars video. Back! Yeah, this is the true, I don't know. But today we're playing Bed Wars with someone else. Let me just party chat. Yeah. We're playing Bed Wars with just message me. Oh my god, I don't know his name, but just message. Start the game. He's not starting, he's AFK. Start the game. I said start the game. Start the gamer. Oh my god, start the gamer. I said start the game, please. Okay, I'll just tell myself that who is playing. I can't. Oh my god, guys, I don't know why he's not starting. So yeah, guys, we'll play some Bed Wars. Before I start the video, I need you guys to pause the video right now, subscribe, like, and yeah. I can't cover this video. Oh my god, let's just cut this part. Cut. Just cut. Why he's not starting? Oh my god, he's even not. Is he online? Oh my god. So basically, what how we met is he subscribed my channel from 2 accounts and me finally. Oh, he started the game. Well, but you know, yeah, the person is right here. Here. He is a. I'm going to tell you guys. You guys, when oh my god, he's so pro. I don't know why. Oh my god, I don't know. I just spectated him in my team and he is one of my subscribers. So shout out to him subscribing me for 2 accounts, from 2 accounts. Yes. So yeah, I'm watching your old. He's watching my old. Why are you? You don't watch because the old vids were so like I was dying like that. My voice was not good, so no, no. Don't watch the Minecraft Bed Wars. I will hack your account if you do that. What I'm saying. Mutated mobs. Yes, mutated mobs. Yeah, by the way, guys, subscribe for more mutated mobs. Yes, the video I created, mutated mobs. See the video of mutated mobs because my voice was dying. Not on the mutated mobs because it was the latest video and yo. Psych. Just yes. Oh my gosh. Why are you watching my? Why are you? You have nothing. Oh. he just fall from to his death. Oh my god. Because the glitches of Bed Wars are so. Oh my god. So just. Oh my god. That was not a glitch. That is the pronunciation. Yes, I don't know what to say. You're live right now? No, man. I'm not live. I'm creating a vid. I am recording right now. I'm recording right now, man. Wait. Oof. Oh my god. He was not recording. Because he said don't record right now. Oh my god. Oof. 100%. Oh my god, that glitch! That was a glitch. You guys saw that. You guys saw that glitch. You guys saw that. Please saw that, please. Glitches. Oh my god. Oh my god. The bed was glitches. Oh my god. But the see. You fall. Glitch. Ha. Yes, you fall. Oh my god. He's I'll leave it. Oh my god. Just forget that. And what I'm doing, I don't know exactly, but I want to kill him. I want to kill him. No, you will. Watch here, man. I'm here. No. You won't destroy my bed. You won't. Won't get a chance, man. You won't get a chance to destroy my. Oh my! I spit all the. Oh my god! I spit all my keyboard. Oh my god! Yes. I spit it all out. Yes. I'm the spitter, and no one messes with the spitters. Oh my god, I was about to fall, and why? He is falling. So yeah, we will play today a nice day, but I ruined my day. Nice day, yes, that was nice day, but I ruined all of that, and yeah, that is pretty much my fault. Oh my! What is that? I hit that. I think it is a lag, but I checked everything. I don't know what to say, guys. In the previous match there was nothing. In the previous match there was, but not that much. But oh my god. Yes, look, he's so pro. He's just, I spectated him, guys. 1v all the, I don't know. I died at the first time the destroyed because I'm noob. But he do 1v 100 and he I don't know what to say. He's so pro. Look, I will not even touch him. Well, let me just kill this guy. I'm not even. Look, he destroyed. I do a bit of damage, but he. Oh my god! I do a bit of damage. He destroyed. Okay, I will destroy. Okay, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. This is life, and I OP. This is life, guys. The bed always destroyed because my bed. I know what I'm saying, but guys, bear with me. Yes, please subscribe for bad luck. If you guys don't subscribe, then you will have the bad luck of the old merciful things. You will have the bad luck of old merciful things. Yes. And how he jumped? What? Okay, I think he is doing a parkour. Oh my god, he fell. Let me fall too. I'm on 3 hearts. Oh my god, I did. I know I dropped that iron, but that's okay. Because yeah, that's okay. Let me guess a little bit. Fireball. At the first, when the beginning of the bed wars, when it was released, the bed wars were released, the fireballs were so OP, but now the aim is so bad of this. Yes, my aim is so bad at the fireballing. I can't fireball, basically. I just want to say that I'm noob. Okay, I get it, guys. Well, oh, he's what to fight? Oh my god. Oh, I thought that blue is not my team, but he is one of my team. So, what he is doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why he is running? What he wants to do? I don't know, but oh my god. Where is he going? I don't know, but let trap him. Oh no. No. Don't kill me. My bed is already destroyed, so please. Why he is so like jumper type of thing? Oh yeah, he killed. Look, he just killed, and I'm okay. I get it. He's a pro. just do this and this and yeah, let us destroy. Oh, the pink is coming. He will just handle it. Yeah, he will handle it. I will stay away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fall back. Fall back. Yeah, he's also falling back because of some reasons. Let me make a gapple up and now they will fall back. Yo. Wait, what? He's coming for me to. I have iron armor. Yes, I have iron armor. Yes, I have iron armor. Man, help me! Someone give me. Oh my! No! 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 I will kill you, man. Oh, he's so. No! 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 Please don't! Please don't! No! I will fireball him. Oh yeah! Nothing happened. Oops. How? He fall, I think, yeah. He fall, I think, yes. GG, man, GG. He fall for his death, oh my god. That was so funny. He typed the message too. Like, yes, freak. Oh my god. Man, that was your problem, not ours. You fall for your death. 2v1, okay, the pink is only one and I'm lagging oh my god, I'm lagging so badly, I don't know why. Yeah, I'm definitely lagging. Let me just type, yes, I'm lagging a lot. When it lags, please guys sub for one lag, yes guys, please sub. Yeah. Oh look guys, you subscribed. See, you guys subscribe, just subscribe, so that's why the lag is finished. Because of you guys only. Because you guys just. Let me just to kill you. Okay, the pink guy is over there. And no, I can't fireball him. Am I lagging? I'm lagging guys. I am very scared right now. I'm lagging, I lagged out, oh my god, I lagged out. Guys, I'm so sorry that I lagged out. Oh my god, no! I'll be I'm change version. Okay. He's going. Okay, he's going. So yeah. We will play another map. Yeah, we will play another map. He is going to change his version of bed bars and we will not wait because we're thug lives. Yeah. We are thug life. Hey, 2v2. I think this will be our last match, so yeah, be sure to subscribe guys. Because we just reached 40 subscribers and that's a great idea. Yes. I don't know what to say, please guys say it. Yes. You build, yes. If I will build, I am the glitches, yes. Oh my god. Yes, so let me sleep for a second. Oh, do we reach? Yes, guys, we finally reached. Yes, I got the diamonds and I will. Boop, boop. Yep. Oh, he picked it up. Oh, that's a great MLG, man. He picked it up. Boop, boop. Hey. He's saying me to do this. Oh my god, guys. Yes, this was the last matches, but Yeah, hopefully that guy came back. Come back. Let's wait till then, guys. Let's wait till then. Yes. Oh, he came back. Yes, I'm there, yo. He finally came back. Expect my party. There's no party. Yes. There's no party. What do you mean? No party. Oh. Yeah. Yes. The party of the whole thing. I don't know what to say, but yeah. Yes. This will be our last game because of recording me right now. It has been so many low. I will not join the blue, or maybe I will. Yes, I will be joining the blue. I don't know what to say. And the hacker has been banned. Metal was kid. Hey, if you are watching this, Metal, why you hack the game? Why you freaking? Yes, and I don't know why people hack the game. It is not good. Okay, yes, some of the people use 1.8.9 because of the resources pack, and yeah, guys, resources packs. Look, guys, this was one X-ray, but guys, I don't hack. I promise, I don't hack. I just don't use this X-ray hack. Yeah, guys, I don't use. Just please, I don't use the X-ray. I have just keep for my safety. I promise, guys, I don't use that. I swear. Oh my god, so many hackers. Oh my god, that just oh my god. Hacker. Oh my god. Oh my god. These so many. Oh, it's still going, guys. It is still going. Oh my god. What? What? I swear, guys, I was not cheating. What? What was that? Oh my god, guys, I swear I was not cheating. I don't know. Yeah, I think that was a troll. Someone just trolled us. Yay. Yes. I feel like I won the game, but no. There I use. I don't know why you use 1.8.9. I don't know what to say, but you are. This is why I use 1.8. This is what it. This is. This is said this. What is that? Oh my. Hi. What do you mean from hi? You mean? Oh my god, I spelled it all wrong, but that's okay. That happens a lot. Because we are speedrunning it. Just red is still building. Oh my god, I didn't protect my bed, but that's okay. You guys know some happens. I want to finish this game. Oh my! If I didn't fall, our bed will be protected. But you sure you want to rest time? Yeet, bro, yeet. Yeah, I'm sure 100% 200 with 400 IQ and yo 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 yo. Okay, just look at him. Oh god, he's teaming up, so sub to fears gaming YT. Yes, before you team up, cause it will give you a bad luck. Not the bad luck, but exact bad luck. But yes, 100, not 100% bad luck, but it will give you bad luck for 12,000 years. I don't know what to say, but and that will happen, guys. That will happen. I'm sure that what he's doing, he just like my life is nothing. Oh, let me kill you! Let me kill you! Yo, we wrecked him. Yeah, we wrecked him. As you know, this is our last game, so I'm rushing. Because we have to risk it, guys. At the last game, we have to risk it for our lives. I'm not even protecting my bed because of the last game. Yes. Oh my god! Huh? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's literally hacking. He said that I'm not hacking, guys. Oh my god! You're a hacker, guy. He's hacker. Whole time you were hacking? Oh my god, he was hacking, guys. Oh my god, I'm not trusting it, guys. He is a hacker and he just look, guys. That's why he fast. So that's why he fast. His fight life. Yes. And the green team is eliminated. I got 4 emeralds. He's hacker. He's hacker. He's 100% hacker. You guys saw him. You guys rewind the video and you saw. My guys are not lying, guys. I promise my eyes are not lying. What do you mean? I saw you hacking, building. Oh my god, and what do you mean? Every hacker said that. Every hacker says that. Guys, I promise. Guys, that was my... Oh my god, that was... Oh my god, I swear, guys. Why? That was the guy, all was one hit. That's why the guys told me that why I got killed. He's not a pro at all. Oh my god, that's why the guy told I was one hit only and I didn't believe in him. Oh my god. He's a hacker. Oh my god. I have nothing to say, guy. I have nothing to say. It is called a glitch. Okay, then just watch my video. Oh my god, I saw him literally hacking in my eyes. I am not lying, guys. I'm sure I'm not lying. I saw him. Oh my god. He's hacking and I'm surprised that he didn't even told that yeah, I am hacker. Yes, I'm sorry. Not to say sorry, but he didn't even tell the guy. That why the guy was told that telling me that I was one hit. He's a hacker, and I didn't believe in him. Sorry, man. I didn't believe you, but well, he's a hacker. Man, I believe on him, and he's a hacker. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say, and I'm lagging right now like a, I don't know. Guys, I'm so right now shocked. Fierce Gaming died. And how did I died? I don't know. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and he leave the game. Look guys, he leave the game. Don't tell. I will just say that I believe because yeah, 100% he's a hacker. I'm just saying that I believe on you, but no guys, I don't believe. I 100% don't believe on him right now. Man, if you are watching this vid, what to say, that you are a hacker? What to say? Hopefully you guys enjoy this episode, and if you guys do, be sure to subscribe. Yes, I do that a lot. Just subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.